Hello? In this video, we'll walk you through 4 simple ways to edit deal fields inside the Deals section of Togile CRM. Go to the Deals section from the main menu. Click the 3-dot icon next to a deal. Then click on Edit. After that, edit fields. Once done, click on Save. Hover over a field in the table. Click the pencil icon to edit Inline. Edit Owner. Once done, click on Update. Next, click a deal. Following that, click on the Actions button. Then click on Edit. Edit individual fields in Detail View. Once done, click on Save. Next, under Deal Information section, click on Edit beside Owner. Afterwards, change the owner. Once done, click on Update. These are the 4 easy ways to edit deal fields: via Menu, Inline, Full Edit Drawer, or Detail View. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more quick Togile CRM tutorials.